Hey kids, our brain break for today is called Sitali Breath, and it is a cooling breath. So you're going to start by either rolling your tongue like this into a U shape, or just opening your mouth into a circle, keeping your tongue back like this. And in this style of breathing, we're going to breathe in hard through our mouth, and then breathe out as slowly as possible through our nose. So quick inhale, slow exhale. And this is a cooling breath. A lot of you have done this with me in term 1 or term 4. When it's hot out, it helps you cool down. So let's go ahead and have a try. And you can probably feel the air coming in felt cool. It's a great way to cool yourself off when you're hot out and to calm the body down and get some more oxygen.